Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add PayPal account to your Crunchyroll application. So if you wanna add PayPal to your Crunchyroll and you do not know how to get started, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to add PayPal to your Crunchyroll application, go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll application first. First of all, you have to have your account logged in. So if you have it, then go ahead and tap on the option of account, which is in the bottom right corner. And then go ahead and tap on the option that says subscription, and then go ahead and tap on Go Premium, and then here you can go ahead and tap on Start Subscription. After you do that, go ahead and add your PayPal account to your Google Play first, and then after you do that, PayPal option will be available under your Google Play services. So after you do that, go ahead and tap on PayPal application, and then you're good to go. You have added your PayPal application on your Crunchyroll app. So that's how you do that. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and did not miss any video from us. I will be back with another video. Until then, goodbye.